Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna tell you how to create a brand account for YouTube. So simply you need to open your Google Chrome or Edge browser, and then you need to type here studio.youtube.com and press enter. After pressing enter, if you are already logged into any Google account, Gmail account, it will take you directly to the studio. But if you are not logged in, then you need to type your email address. So I'm typing my email address here, clicking next, putting the password here and clicking next again. Now I land on this studio page. I have created this channel as whenever you make a account in Gmail, it creates a channel. So it's actually a simple channel, but if you want to make it a brand account, what you need to do first, you need to go into setting. Then you need to click on the second option, channel. Then you need to click on advanced and scroll down all the way, and you can see here manage YouTube account. So just click on this. After clicking here, you have this option, channel status and feature, and create new channel. So I'll click on this second option, create new channel, and now I can easily make my brand account. So let's say I just write MAARKS marks, and this is my brand channel. So I click on the terms and conditions and then click on create. And now my brand account is made. If I click here on the top right side and I click on switch account, you can see here that there are previous channel was Sohail, now this is MAARKS, and this is my brand account. So if you see two channels in your list, it means it's a brand account. And if you go to studio, and then if you go to setting and you click on permissions, so you can see here it's written manage permissions. So if it is written manage permission, it means it's a brand account. And if it's not a brand account, let's change it. Then you will see a different stuff here. You go to setting, permissions, and you see here there is no option of manage accounts. So in this way you can easily create a brand account. The benefit of brand account is that you can easily transfer your brand account, or you can add the managers if you want other people to upload stuff for you. And even if you are not letting others to upload stuff, you are managing by yourself. And later on, if you are using one email address and you want to change in the future, you want to change the email address, so in brand account it's possible. But if it's not a brand account, then it's not possible. So brand account is really good if you are making a YouTube channel. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. As I upload informative videos every week. Take care, Allah Hafiz.